Hey there, welcome back to another interesting video of Go. In today's video, we will discuss about conditions in Go. Conditional statements are used to control the flow of a program based on some conditions. Okay, let's begin with if statement. The if statement executes a block of code if a specified condition is true. For example, it starts with if keyword and then the condition on which the code should execute followed by the actual function. Let's work with an example which will help us understand more in depth. For this example, I am creating a new Go file. All these sample codes will be available for your reference on the GitHub repository mentioned under the description. As usual, our Go file starts with package main. Then I am defining a function. Inside the function, a variable is declared x and I am assigning an integer value to it. Now let's write the if condition. It starts with the if keyword followed by the condition. The condition is if x is greater than 5, then it should execute the function to print the statement x is greater than 5. Now once we execute this code as an output, we should get the statement printed as our condition is true. The function will not execute the if condition is false. Let's talk about if else condition. If you remember, the if condition, it executes the function only when the condition is true, and it does nothing if the condition is false. Now, the if else statement allows you to execute one block of code if the condition is true and another block if the condition is false. Let's look at an example. In this example, we are using the same piece of code. We will now update the code to use else along with if statement. We are defining another block of function to print the statement x is smaller than 5 when the if statement is false. So before executing, let's update the value of x to a smaller value so that the if condition becomes false. Now go run main.go. The output is x is smaller than 5. Let's move to our next condition, which is if else statement. The if else statements change multiple conditions together. For example, you can define multiple conditions with block of functions. Let us work through another example. In the previous example code, I am adding one more condition using else if, and the condition is if x is equal to 10, then print x is equal to 10. Now let's execute and see the output. Here we got x is greater than 5. We got this because our first if condition is true. Now to verify our second condition, I am updating the first condition to be x greater than 10. Now upon executing again, our code is printing the second condition. Moving to our last condition, which is switch statement. The switch statement provides a cleaner way to write multiple if-else conditions. For example, it starts with switch keyword followed by the variable, then curly braces. Inside the curly braces, we need to define the multiple conditions using case keyword like case value 1, then execute this, and case value 2, then execute this. The default one will execute when none of the previous conditions were met. Let's look at this example. Let's create another Go file. I have named it switch.go. I am pasting an example here. You can see that inside the main function, I have defined 3 conditions under switch statement. Okay, now the value of x is 2. Then as an output, we should get the value of case 2. Let's run to verify. Yes, we got the desired output. With this, I am concluding the video. See you in next video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.